हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू।
Start. The plaintiff appellant is in the regular second appeal against the judgment and decree passed by the learned first appellate court, comma, reversing the judgment and decree passed by the learned trial court, full stop, para. This court has heard the learned counsel for the parties had gone through the photocopy of the record produced by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, correctness whereof is not being disputed, full stop, para. In the considered opinion of this court, comma, following substantial questions of law arise for consideration of this court, colon, para. First, whether the intended purchaser can compel the intended vendor slash seller to specifically enforce the contract in view of the provisions of section 13 of the Specific Relief Act, comma, 1963 in bracket the 1963 Act for short bracket out, after the intended seller has obtained the perfect title or not, question mark, para. Second, whether a contract for sale of immovable property in violation of term of the allotment letter would be covered as void contract within the meaning of section 23 of the Contract Act, comma, 1872 in bracket the 1872 Act for short bracket out, question mark, para. Facts, para. It would be necessary to note few facts, full stop, para. The defendant respondent was allotted plot number 1252 sector 28, comma, Panchkula, wide allotment letter dated 25/5/2000, full stop. As per clause 5 of the allotment letter, no sale, transfer, gift deed or mortgage of the plot was permitted for a period of 10 years from the date of allotment letter, full stop. The defendant entered into an agreement to sell with the plaintiff on 19/12/2002, full stop, for a sale consideration of rupees 37,000. Plaintiff was also made liable to pay remaining amount, whatever was due, comma, to the allotment authority, that is Haryana Urban Development Authority in bracket Huda for short bracket out, full stop. Agreement to sell is signed between the parties, full stop. It was further agreed that rupees 34,000 has been paid as earnest money and balance amount of rupees 3,000 would be paid on the target date, that is 26/12/2002, and original documents would be handed over by the defendant to the plaintiff, full stop. It is the case of plaintiff that on 26/12/2002, comma, all the original documents like allotment letter, comma, receipt of payment were handed over by the defendant to the plaintiff and balance amount of rupees 3,000 was paid, full stop, para. The concurrent finding of the courts below and the facts came on record are that it is the plaintiff who paid all the installments and kept on communicating slash dealing with the Huda full stop. The last payment was made on 15/6/2009, comma, wide receipt exhibit P2 full stop. All the receipts including original allotment letter, comma, agreement to sell, etc. have been produced by the plaintiff full stop para. The defendant admitted the execution of the agreement to sell full stop. However, he pleaded that the plot was allotted to him in the category meant for economic weaker section and there is 10 years restriction/embargo on the sale of the plot as per allotment under such category full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है 95 के लगभग, ठीक है। इसमें कोई नाम तो आया नहीं, हुड्डा तो बनेगा नॉर्मल अपवर्ड एच थ्रू द लाइन डी और दैट की वॉवल, मतलब अपवर्ड एच थ्रू द लाइन बनेगा फिर डी आएगा, ठीक है। और इसमें कोई नाम है नहीं, चलिए। और स्पीड ज़्यादा लगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आराम से करिए। आपको एग्ज़ाम निकालना है, आपको केवल फालतू में नहीं लिखना है। तो स्पीड ज़्यादा हो तो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई इशू होने नहीं चाहिए इसका, ठीक है। और कमेंट्स वगैरह दीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, लाइक शेयर कर दीजिएगा, अपने दोस्तों से भी करवाइएगा एकदम, ठीक है। चलिए फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।